upon a time, in the heart of the sparkling Diamond Kingdom, there lived a little princess named Cinderella. She wasn't just any princess, she was a Barbie princess with bright, dazzling eyes and a gown that shimmered like the stars. Her long, flowing hair glowed in the moonlight, and she wore a crown that sparkled with every color of the rainbow. Her kind heart and adventurous spirit made her beloved by all in her kingdom. One warm evening, as Cinderella gazed out from her castle balcony, she noticed something unusual. In the distance, a twinkling light glimmered in the forest like a distant star, brighter and more colorful than anything she had ever seen. It seemed to be calling her, whispering secrets of magic and wonder. Her curiosity was too strong to ignore. She quickly put on her magical glass slippers, gifted to her by the Fairy Queen herself, and they sparkled with every step she took. She wrapped herself in a soft, shimmering cloak and set out to discover the source of the mysterious light. As she stepped into the forest, Cinderella found herself surrounded by flowers that glowed like tiny lanterns, lighting her path in shades of blue, pink, green, and gold. Every leaf seemed to glimmer with magic, and she could feel a tingling excitement growing within her. Suddenly, a burst of light appeared before her. Out of the light stepped a gentle creature, a small, fluttering firefly with wings that sparkled like diamonds. "Hello, Princess Cinderella," the firefly greeted her, its voice tiny but warm. "My name is Flicker, and I'm here to guide you on a magical journey. The lights you see are from the Enchanted Realm, a place of wonder and beauty." Cinderella's eyes widened in awe. The Enchanted Realm. I've heard of it in bedtime stories, but I never thought it was real. "It's real, indeed," Flicker said, flapping his wings excitedly. "But it's in trouble. An ancient magic has dimmed the lights of the realm, and only a brave heart like yours can restore its brightness." Filled with determination, Cinderella nodded. "I'll do anything to help. How do we reach the Enchanted Realm?" Flicker floated in circles around her, creating a glowing path. "Follow me, Princess. Your adventure awaits." As they journeyed through the forest, Cinderella encountered creatures she'd only heard of in fairy tales. There were luminous butterflies whose wings sparkled like stained glass, and colorful foxes with tails that glowed in the dark. She marveled at the sight, her heart swelling with wonder. They soon reached a giant, shimmering portal hidden behind an ancient tree covered in rainbow-colored moss. Flicker guided her through, and the moment she stepped into the portal, Cinderella felt a rush of magical energy. The Enchanted Realm was even more beautiful than she had imagined. Floating islands sparkled in the sky, rivers of glittering light flowed around her, and the air was filled with the scent of sweet blossoms. But Cinderella noticed something strange. The light here was dim, as if a shadow had fallen over the land. Flicker pointed to a distant mountain. At the top of that mountain lies the Crystal of Radiance. It's the heart of the Enchanted Realm's light, but its magic is fading. We must reach it and restore its glow. Determined to help, Cinderella set off with Flicker by her side. Along the way, they encountered challenges and mysteries that tested Cinderella's courage. They crossed a river of swirling colors, where the water changed shade with every step she took. They climbed a hill where clouds drifted like soft, fluffy cushions, and the ground sparkled with twinkling crystals. At one point, they came across a hidden grove where Cinderella discovered a group of tiny, giggling fairies. The fairies wore dresses made of flower petals, and their wings shimmered like the morning dew. "Princess Cinderella," said the fairy leader, a little fairy named Daisy, "we've been waiting for you. We know about your quest, and we want to give you a gift for your bravery." With a wave of her wand, Daisy presented Cinderella with a dazzling necklace, crafted from the finest gems of the forest. "This is the necklace of brilliance. It will light your way when darkness surrounds you." Cinderella thanked the fairies, and as she put on the necklace, it began to glow softly, matching the light of her glass slippers. Now, equipped with her new necklace and a heart full of courage, she continued her journey. As they neared the mountain, the sky darkened, and a powerful wind began to blow. Flicker looked at Cinderella, his tiny face filled with worry. "We're entering the Shadowlands now. It's the most dangerous part of the Enchanted Realm. But don't worry, Princess, I'll be by your side." They pressed on, the necklace and her glass slippers lighting the way through the darkness. Strange, shadowy creatures loomed around them, their eyes glowing with a mysterious light. Cinderella took a deep breath, steadying her nerves. She knew she had to be brave, for the sake of the Enchanted Realm. At last, they reached the peak of the mountain, where the Crystal of Radiance lay atop a stone pedestal. But as Cinderella stepped forward, a dark, swirling mist rose from the ground, forming the shape of a fearsome shadow creature. The shadow's voice was like thunder. "Who dares to disturb my realm?" Cinderella took a step forward, her heart racing but her voice steady. "I am Princess Cinderella, and I have come to restore the light to the Enchanted Realm." The shadow creature laughed, a sound that echoed through the mountains. "You think you, a mere child, can undo my magic?" But Cinderella didn't back down. She clasped her necklace, feeling its warmth and light radiate through her. "I may be small, but my heart is strong. And I won't let you keep this realm in darkness." With those words, the necklace burst into a radiant light, blinding the shadow creature. Cinderella's slippers glowed brightly, filling the entire mountaintop with colorful, brilliant light. The shadow creature shrieked and faded away, leaving only a wisp of smoke behind. As the light settled, Cinderella approached the Crystal of Radiance. It was dull and cracked, but she could feel a soft, flickering glow deep within. Gently, she placed her hand on the crystal, letting her necklace's light flow into it. The crystal began to shine, growing brighter and brighter until it filled the entire Enchanted Realm with a dazzling rainbow of colors. The realm sparkled with life once more. Flowers bloomed in radiant colors, rivers shimmered like liquid diamonds, and the creatures of the forest danced with joy. Flicker buzzed around Cinderella excitedly. "You did it, Princess! You've restored the light!" Cinderella smiled, feeling a warmth in her heart that was brighter than the crystal itself. She knew that this magical adventure would stay with her forever, a reminder of her courage and kindness. As she prepared to leave the Enchanted Realm, the fairies, animals, and creatures all gathered to bid her farewell, showering her with petals and singing songs of gratitude. Back at her kingdom, Cinderella returned to her castle balcony, looking out at the night sky. The stars seemed to shine even brighter, as if they, too, knew of her incredible journey. And so, with a heart full of wonder and a spirit as bright as the stars, Cinderella, the little Barbie princess, fell asleep under the glowing sky, ready for whatever magical adventure awaited her next.